Okay, so hey guys, Everyday Explorers. This is a new kit, really newly designed kit. Um, so I haven't seen any previews of what it's gonna look like. I know that the stamp set is gonna be smaller, which I don't. I'm not looking forward to that. I really like her stamp sets. So just kind of as a reminder, this is what her um, previous ones kind of look like. You got like the little book, and you got stickers, and then it would come with a full size 4x6 stamp set. So let's see what this redesigned kit looks like. And with her subscriptions, you have to do months at a time. It's not each month. So you can pick a 3 months, 6 months, and I think a 12-month subscription. All right. So let's take a look. I like these glassine bags. I was trying not to rip it, but it looks like I'm going to have to rip it. I hate destroying them. Okay. So instead of the little booklets, we're getting a bigger, or maybe this is, I don't know if this is like a one-time thing. I can't see her sending this out every month. But let's see, let's take a look. Lay flat binding, 128 pages. So I don't know that designer, but this is what it's gonna look like. Ooh, I'm excited. Yeah. So you have your. I think I like this. All right, let's take a look. That would make things so much easier. So I get those Archer and Olive quarterly subscriptions, and it's just a blank page. Sometimes it's nice to have a jumping off point, and so this is going to be neat. So this is an A5. Oh, you know what? I bet you this will fit those Coach notebooks. Yeah, because I think I put a regular A5, like one of those, the ones from Archer and Olive. I think I put one of those in the Coach books, notebooks before. So, interesting. I'm going to have to check that out and see if that will work. All right, so moving on. And this is nice paper. Does it tell us? Yeah, 100 GSM. Oh, this is going to be nice. I am excited to try it. Like, I'm going to take this. I work at night, and I'm going to take this with me tonight, and I might start on it tonight. I like it a lot. I was really skeptical as to whether or not I was going to like this new kit design. All right, so this is just advertising, but she also puts cut parts on there. You are definitely getting less in the kit. Like the stamp set is less, is smaller. You don't get the pages of stickers and all that. So let me show you. Just as an example, this one, you got this, and you got a full-size stamp set. This is pretty much half that size. And then you got this cut apart page. You got alphas. You got stickers, more stickers, and then more stickers. And see, you got a lot in the last one. And this one, I love this so much. But I'm behind in doing stuff. But this one, I wonder if every month, just like these, the layout would change. I guess she doesn't want you to get bored. And you can get good ideas on how to do different layouts. Because I get so mad at myself because I do the same thing in the Archer and Olive books. So anyway, it's going to be interesting to see if she changes the format up. I'm pretty sure she will every month. And if I keep up with this. But this is really cute. So I like this a lot. So I do feel like I'm getting less. But I don't know. This takes up the money, most likely. And I'm excited to try it.
Motion detected at the front door.
All right. So I will talk to you guys later. You can tell me what you think. Bye.